Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do the watercolor line project. So I have a piece of watercolor paper. It's kind of on the thicker side. It holds watercolors really nice. These are called oil pastels. They're almost like crowns, but they're really, really oily. They're made out of oil. I've got 36 colors for you to choose from. You'll also have a list of the different kinds of lines, and we're going to do them in this order. So first thing I do is I pick a color, any color that I want. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to make a wavy line. So I'm going to have to go from the edge to the edge. So I can't go like this and then stop. I have to go all the way to the edge of the paper. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to finish it all the way to the edge. The other thing is you have to push really hard. If you don't push hard enough when we do the watercolor part, it won't work very well. Next line I'm going to do is straight. I get to pick another color. I'm going to skip a little bit of space. Not a lot. I'm not going to go way down here, but I'm not going to put it right next to it. I'm going to skip a tiny bit of space. And I'm going to do a straight line that goes all the way across, pushing really hard. I touch the edge and I touch the edge. Now I put that one up. Okay, I did wavy, I did straight. Now I'm going to do zigzag. So I pick a color, any color that I want. I'm going to do black. I skip some space, so not right up here, not right next to it. Skip a little space down. And now I'm going to push really hard. And I'm going to do zigzag all the way across. And I make sure that I touch the edges of the paper all the way over. All right. I've done wavy, straight, zigzag. Next is broken. So I get to pick any color that I want, and I choose this one. Now I get to do broken. So I'm going to skip some space. Again, not right here, not way down here, just a little bit of space. And I'm going to push really hard, and I'm going to go all the way across from the edge to the edge. Okay, I'm going to do white for this next one. I've done wavy, straight, zigzag, broken. Next is spiral. Skip some space. Now you won't be able to see my spiral right now, but you will in a minute. Okay, I went all the way from an edge to an edge. I put that back. I have one left, curves. I'm going to pick this color, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one big curve. So I skip some space, and I'm going to do a curve like that. Kind of like a rainbow at the edge. I went all the way to the edge of the paper, so it's a rainbow at the bottom. I've skipped spaces in between all of them. Then I am done with the oil pastel. So I get to put those up. I don't need those anymore. For the second part of this project, we're going to be watercoloring. When we watercolor, we always have to have paper underneath our paper so that we don't get watercolor all over the table. You will have a lot of colors. Here's a color, here's a color, here's a color, here's a color, and we will have to share, but here are all my colors. Now for the watercolor part, each one of the colors will already have a brush, and you get to pick a color and you're going to paint all the way across the paper. We want there to be no white showing. I'm going to choose this color first. I'm going to take out this brush, and I'm going to paint. Now the cool thing about the oil pastel is it does not like the waters in the watercolors. So I get to paint right over my lines just like that. When I'm done with that color, I put the brush back. And now I am going to go on to another color. I'm going to choose this one. Okay. And I'm going to go all the way across. And I'm going to go right over my lines. It's like that oil pastel does not care about the water. I put that back. I'm going to pick another color. And I'm just going to paint all the way so you don't see any white. Kind of mixed there. Oops. Okay, I'm going to take this. Remember I said that white, you couldn't see it, but watch what happens now. It's like a secret code that just pops out of the paper. Pretty cool, right? All right, I want to pick another color. I'm going to pick this yellow color. Oh, yellow and the blue kind of mixed, and it made green. Let's see what this color is. Ooh, that one's pretty. And there's only one color that I did not do. That's this one. I'm going to use it just so you can see what color it is. It's purple. Okay. All right. When I'm done, I should look at my paper. Do you see any white, or did I cover up all the white space? That's right, I covered it all up. So it's all painted. I've got it all done. Now I'm going to pick it up with 2 hands, because if I only leave it like this, you'll see the watercolor is going to start to drip down. So I always leave it flat. I hold it with 2 hands, and I'm going to carry it to the drying rack. And that is how we do our watercolor line project.